In this class I am going to explain the origin position. If you want to change to the corner, left bottom corner, you can click there, or to the center you can click left bottom corner, you can click, then you can see the resolutions and other parameters is the same, and click OK. Now you have the model space. Now if you want to place a design to a particular origin position, if you want to position to a particular origin, what we can do is that we can go to particular point. Before that I am just using these rulers, so that I can just set the rulers. Then after that I can simply make a design of suppose we want to write letters. Okay, this is the design, Aravind. Okay, after typing that, now you can see that the blue point, that is in the center, that is 0 0 of the design is in the center, but the model space center is in the left bottom corner. So if you want to change the design center also to the left bottom corner, we have to click here. Now you can see the blue here. Okay, now the distance from this model space origin to the design origin, I am just changing. Okay, I made it 0 0, so both the points become the same. Okay, 0 0. Now if you want to give some space, I can give some space, so like some 5 mm or like that. I can just give that space. Now you can see that the space have some space in x-axis and y-axis direction. So I can also do change that space as per our requirement. Now if you are giving the material 0 0 here, you can have a required margin in left and bottom side.